welcome to Vlogmas day 14. I hope you all had a great weekend. Today I am getting my nails done. I got them done not too long ago, but the gel nail polish that I picked just wasn't a great one, so it started peeling off a few days after. So I'm getting my nails fixed now. I have an appointment and I think I still have a few more minutes to wait, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I kind of want to go to HomeGoods, but today is football Sunday, so we shall see. And I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. Here is the before. This one looks horrible, but here's the before. Here is the after. They look so good. So I get them almond shape, and then this time I got the color OPI Bubble Bath, which is like the perfect milky light pink color. This is actually my first time getting this color, but it's so pretty. It's really popular and I never tried it before, but I really love it. So I'm gonna attempt to make a matcha latte. I've been making smoothies, but I kind of just need some energy. So matcha is really good for that. I don't wanna drink any coffee right now. So I looked up a recipe on Pinterest. So I'm gonna try this out. This is the matcha that I usually use. So I'm just gonna do a tablespoon and a half. I'm just kind of guessing with this because this isn't like proper measuring tools, so I'll do about like 1 to 2 spoonfuls. And then I'm going to be using the Trader Joe's blueberry lavender almond milk. Beckham is standing on the table. He loves the camera. Okay. And then I'm going to fill this up to, I think 400 milliliters should probably be good. Actually, I don't know if I should do that much. Yeah, 400 is good. It's like perfect. Okay, and then I'm gonna add honey. The recipe says to add honey or vanilla syrup. So this is raw honey. I'm just gonna get like a spoonful just to kind of sweeten it up. This actually came out really good, except next time I'm not going to put any honey because the matcha that I used is already sweet matcha, which I didn't think of until after, but it's just super sweet. I think it could have done without the honey, but if you're just using regular matcha, then definitely add honey. But it was pretty good. It kind of tastes like a green smoothie, but really sweet. Do you like it?
I don't think that's too sweet.
No?
No, and I typically don't like sweet stuff either.
But do you like it?
I do like that.
I just got to HomeGoods, so I'm gonna look for some Christmas presents because I don't really want to wait till last minute like I usually do. And now that, you know, the store, oops, sorry, let me start my car. Maybe we could get some light. I don't want to wait till last minute, and there was like no line or anything, and the parking lot was pretty empty, so perfect time to come. And hopefully I can find some good Christmas presents, some unique things to get people. And yeah, I'll show you what I get when I get home. I just got back from HomeGoods and I got mostly Christmas presents, but I did find some stuff for, you know, our house too. So I'm gonna just give you guys a little haul here, and I'm not gonna show any of the Christmas presents because I don't trust my friends and family not to watch this video. So I'll start off with what I got for us. So I found these coffee mugs, which are glass and they're insulated, which is really cute and aesthetic. So I'm really excited to use these because I have seen these before on Amazon and they are a little bit pricier. So this was a really good deal, $12.99 for 2 of them. And then I just got some stuff that, you know, we needed around the house. So we needed a new little scrubber thing for our dishes, and I just liked the wooden thing on the end, and this was only $2.99, so that is nice. I got some pasta. Don't sleep on their pasta aisle. I swear they have like the coolest things and like the coolest, most yummiest spices and stuff like that. So I got some little bow tie pasta to make sometime this week. And I got this because it reminded me of my friend Lindsay. She loves like black truffle anything, and she's always like talking about her black truffle salt that I think she got it from Santa Fe. But anyway, she's always talking about her black truffle salt, and I saw this and it made me think of her. So this is black truffle sea salt, and it says it's made in Italy, which is really, really cool. And this was only $4.99, so I'm excited to cook with this, and I hope it tastes like truffle oil. I got this for Beckham, magic markers, which I guess are mess-free because Beckham has been really into coloring lately, but he gets a little carried away and likes to try and color the walls and the rugs and stuff like that. So I thought that this would be perfect for like a little stocking stuffer. And it has a coloring book with a lot of different pictures. And then I got another art piece. I'm not gonna show, even though it is for our house, but I got one of my friends the exact same art piece because it just reminded me so much of her. So not gonna show that one either, but let me take off my bag, sorry. I don't know why I still have this on. I got this for our house and I'm so excited. Let me see. So I hope you guys can see it good. I will also show it in probably the next vlog, hanging up on the wall because I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I kind of want to put it in our room somewhere or possibly our bathroom. But this was such a great find and a great price. This was only $29.99. And I just love the colors. I love the frame. It's like this black and then this like brass frame, which is like such a pretty gold color. It's not like a yellow cheap gold color. It looks very, very expensive, even though it wasn't. It was only $29.99. The style number is 063504. So 063504. In case you know you're interested, you could call your HomeGoods and just give them the style number and see if they have it in stock. And the brand of this is Empty Spaces Collection Demaru, something in another language. But yeah, this is just so beautiful, and it's pretty big too. It's actually pretty huge, so I'm really excited to hang this up in my house. I think it's just gonna be so beautiful. So yeah, that is pretty much it that I got from HomeGoods, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye, loves.